Hello friends, welcome to Pathfinder Ice Club. My name is Sachin, and in this video we will briefly discuss how to read actual newspaper. In the previous video, like part 1 of this same topic, we have discussed theory part of it. And in this video we will take up actual newspaper and see which are the important news which you should read so that your reading is more effective. So let's move ahead. So for this video we are taking newspaper of 20th September 2020. We will share this PDF, marked PDF on our Telegram group. Link to the Telegram group is given in the description box. If you wish, you can join the group. So now let's move ahead. Uh, on the screen, you can see on the left side, there is this news related to China. Okay. And this part is related to GS2. Here you can see GS2 international relations. So this news, it is expected that you should read entire news and also see the map of the conflict area, and this is important news from the point of view of UPSC. Okay, so India getting access to this area and all this you can go through entirely. So this is important news, but on the right hand side if you see, there is something related to the debate, parliament debate. So this is like all political news, you don't have to read it at all, because see this symbol is for showing that it is good to discuss, but it has no significance at all for the from UPSC point of view. So you can skip the news which are like political in nature. Okay. On the similar page we have see this news of NIA, National Investigation Agency. So there this news, this agency will be in the news like almost monthly, weekly. There will be some news on the NIA, but again you don't have to track all the news. You just have to know about the institution, what is their function and headquarters, and few of the important things, success of NIA and critic of NIA. That's it. But you don't have to follow all the news of NIA. Okay, so you can skip the reading of the part, but you can go through the NIA, like basic details of it. Okay, so likewise page 1 is done. Okay, so we have tried to take three types of news where we can decide which one to read, which one to leave, and which one to search on your own, like for example NI. We'll see on the next page what it is. For Express it is mostly the continuation of first page, page 2, so there is nothing to read about. Here it is one of the important news about the pollution. So again, this part will be in the news annually. So there, in the when the winter starts, there is this news related to pollution. In this particular piece of news, they have given the problems, and they have also provided solution. Okay, so and again this part, like this part you can use in the summary or maybe in the conclusion of the question. So this type you can highlight it, and you can put these points under the notes of pollution. Okay, which is important for GS3 environment subject. So this news is important from the point of view of UPSC, and that this is how you make the notes under the heading pollution. Okay, so let's move ahead and see what are the important news. Apart from that, we are skipping all the political news, and we are also skipping the news which are not important for the UPSC. Okay, yeah, this news again, this is political in nature, what Farooq Abdullah is saying. uh, but again, uh, interesting to read but not important from the point of view of UPSC. You can skip this political news altogether, and you must have seen that if you skip political news it will be like skipping almost 50% of the newspaper or even more than that. Okay, we'll talk about this news now. Haryana farmers blocking the roads. So this is very important news, because as far as the GS3 agriculture part is concerned, because government is passing three important ordinances, and there are repercussions of these ordinances on the entire nation. So why particularly Haryana and Punjab is against these ordinances? You should read this, and even if you don't read this, you might not find comprehensive answer to this. You can search, you can find videos on the reaction of the farmers on the ordinances, and you can make on your own 1-2 page notes related to this topic. Okay, it doesn't make any sense to write 10 pages, because you are going to write 2 pages ultimately in the mains. So make a note of 2 pages per topic. That is what I suggest for now. This news is also very important. If you see the new education policy in the place, look beyond e-classes, ensure midday meals. So here the author is talking about the significance of e-classes, but at the same time there is a missing element of midday meal because students are not going to school. Then how we can provide a meal to the students who are staying at home? So this is important problem which is being discussed. Again, you can put the education as a heading and then write down these points. For the topic like education, you can make more than 2 pages maybe because these are also included for the essay. Okay, so don't implement that formula of 2 page per topic. Here, education is a big topic where you can make like maybe 20 pages notes on this topic. This is one of the most important topic for UPSC point of view. Yeah, on the right side, if you can see the onions which are like now and then in the news, you should know exactly what is the recurrent theme, like why there is ban on the export and why again there is fluctuation of the onion prices. And onion is one of the most important commodity which has impacted political class a lot. So just make a 1 page note on that, and then you don't have to read entirely everything when onion is in the news. We can move ahead. So a lot of you must be thinking that what is important news, how you can guess which news you should read and which news you should avoid. So in that, I'll just say that the news which is political, apart from that, the news which you can connect with the you can directly connect with the syllabus and previous year question papers, that only you should read, because see, these both things, syllabus and previous year question paper, are like guiding lights for us. You should not read anything which is not you can you're not able to connect it to the syllabus. So yeah, these articles, like this is the series which get published on the Sunday. This is like very critical of the government's policy. For some of the policies you can read, but again, like you might not find it useful from UPSC point of view. By P. Chidambaram. Here you don't have to read an entire article of the author, but you can see the title, I miss my village in Bihar, but it has no Wi-Fi, my kids has classes. Can you pick up this line as it is and use this line in the essay or in the conclusion of any answer? Yes, definitely. So you can take down the headings of articles which you can find use in the conclusions and in essay. This I found it very good line which you can use in the essay. So articles like this, you sometimes you might not find direct relevant for any syllabus point. Life is slow, life in a slower world. But again, the if you see the content, it is very good, and you can, as it is, mention these lines in your essay, like impact of COVID on the social aspects on that topic. It is the whole article is. So this article is important for essay and GS4. So the topic which are important for essay and GS4 are a little bit vague, where you cannot specifically demarcate it. But again, like once you start reading the newspaper, you will get a knack where the articles which you think might not be useful for UPSC are also useful for essay and GS4. So this is one of the example where you can take the article for essay and GS4. Let's move ahead. So this is one of the very important article. If you see, Lok Sabha passes a bill. So whenever a Lok Sabha is passing any bill, there will be number of articles on that, which is really important for GS2 polity part. But in my opinion, you don't have to read all the articles related to particular bill or act. I suggest that you read that particular article, particular bill from authentic websites like PRS, and make notes from that. Like these are comments on the bills which are you don't have to follow entirely, or maybe you can read one detailed article on it when the bill is passed. That way, like don't read entirely all the article. Just read it once and then make 2 page note, as we keep saying. Okay, let's move ahead. I'm skipping a lot of international news, which I find not directly important for the from the UPSC point of view. This is the magazine we get on Sunday. This is the last article we will be discussing. So apparently, if you see the heading, I am angry at COVID-19, you might not find this article directly relevant for the UPSC. But if you see the, some of the authors have very good knack of writing the introduction. So if you can see the introduction, you can use as it is, like this kind of introduction, maybe with little bit modification from the on the context of essay topic. But you can use this kind of introduction in your essay also. Okay, so you just keep copy paste this particular this introduction in your notes, and then maybe use this in your answers in your essays. So that is how we can make the notes. So this is the last article, and this is from the magazine of the Sunday newspaper. So yeah, like again, the last point I want to make here is that if you are not able to find which article is important for the UPSC, just keep the syllabus handy and then check if you can connect particular article with the syllabus, and then only read it. Okay. So yeah, that's it in this brief video. I hope you found this video useful. I'll try to make few more videos on the similar lines so that you will get to know which news are important and how to read the newspaper effectively. You can get in touch with us at pathfinderisclub@gmail.com. We wish you all the best and great success. Thank you.